Red.
So Snoke with green, yellow Snoke. Or who else? Play with Obi-Wan, so there's familiarity there, right? Less. So we're gonna cruise through.
I don't know if I have a bunch of people.
Chickens in the car for a while.
Yeah, he'll be good.
What's the last year? Only 3/5. When he gets attacked, you got the force, you can use it, and the attacker gets -2, -0, so we'll check with 2 less damage.
I hope.
Ezra's good.
I'm learning as you guys talk about it.
It sucks he can't attack, at least 30%.
Yeah.
What do you got in your own the Virgo. That's okay. As long as you get the well, the Jedi doesn't even matter to him, right? Safety. Take all those. Let's get rid of them. Keep these kind of out, just in case. Low and maybe like splash of color. So let's say you're doing green, blue. We don't need those. Okay, so now do the thing where you put the units out. 37. You don't have a lightsaber. You don't always have a lightsaber.
Ooh. Are these the hyperspace ones that I've heard about? No?
Yeah, so that's hyper foil.
Hyper foil.
So yeah, so you can have the regular foil,
Okay.
but you still see the border. So you
Cool.
got hyperspace where it's like plain,
Yeah.
but no border, and then you got hyperspace foil, which is that one.
Oh, rad.
Yeah. Yeah, they look really nice, especially if like the art is super. Like,
Yeah.
Really cool combos.
I was just at the convention this past weekend, and I saw one of the artists that had worked on some of these cards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. What convention was it?
Fan Expo, the one in the convention center.
Oh, wow, I
Yeah.
didn't even know that happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. You're 64 total.
Okay, I have 25. No, I have 25. So
Okay.
I guess I feel like how many spaces do I have?
Yeah, 8 is going to be concealed. 8's going to be like, yeah. But it's good to have.
Yeah, I have 5 spaces. I can use them.
When we see Luke, I think Luke's going to be switched by another unique unit. So anyway, it's got the little star. You can use the Force. You do get an experience token and a shield token. Yes. So it's great. You can definitely put it in. And then, got any other 3s you can throw in? You get that young guy.
Ooh, this one's cool.
Yeah, what do you got for 2 next? Okay, don't worry about that. Less on attack. Or you already have any vehicles.
Although this is like recent. Oh, recent. I know, like.
Yeah, so go back to your heroics.
I didn't get too many. I got more than I needed to, but it's still not enough.
Get this in for some more space. Sure. Yeah.